I love it so much. I just love being in the shop and making stuff. I love just turning something from a tree into something that people have in their house for generations. And then being able to look at it and say, you know, I built that. I just love it, you know. I started working with my dad when I was a young kid, and I always loved building stuff, making stuff, working with my friends, making clubhouses and stuff. I was really into like drawing and art and stuff when I was a kid too, so that's, I think, another part of why the furniture end of it really is what I enjoy. I work 12, 14 hours a day easily, pretty much 6 to 7 days a week. So when I'm in the middle of a custom cabinet job or something, I'll be here from 7 in the morning until 11 o'clock at night sometimes. Because I'm a one-man show, I gotta get it done, and I have to meet deadlines, and there's only one way to get it done if you're a one-man show, is put in the hours. I've always felt like the quality of the tool is what really makes your job easy. Metal cutting bandsaw, it's real nice because you can just put your material in there and just let the saw go and then cut through and stop, turn itself off when it's done. The wood cutting bandsaws I use for any kind of breaking material down, and also a lot of curves and all the arcs and stuff like that. Sawblade.com is pretty cool. Always can find what you need there. They got a huge selection, and it's super fast to order at good prices. You can actually find a lot of things that you just can't find anywhere else. So quality is obviously what drives a small business. I want people to like know my furniture and my pieces. Like, there's a lot of big celebrities, I guess, in woodworking that people know their stuff, they know their style, they have a particular style, and it becomes a collectible. It's like art, I guess. So.